So this is a lab demonstration of our deep ocean currents lab that we'll be doing. We start with 250 milliliters of warm tap water, and we'll be mixing that with salt, 110 grams of salt. And to create some salt water here, so pour that warm water in here.
Okay, we're trying to add 110 grams of salt right now. So I have our digital balance. 110 is a lot of salt. 50. 90. I'm gonna go really slowly here at the end, try to get as close to 110 grams as I can. There we go, 110 grams, and we're now going to mix that into our warm tap water. Stir. Next, we're going to stir it. So we're stirring our salt water to try to get all the salt to dissolve. Then we're going to add 15 drops of blue food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we have our blue salt water. But we want to make sure that it's cold salt water. So next we're going to go get some ice. Alright, now we went and got some ice. We're going to put the ice in here. So here we're going to stir it to try to get our cold salt water.
Okay, so in our lab we have set up with a tank with about 3 gallons of room temperature water and a tube with a funnel to put the cold salt water that we've just created into the room temperature fresh water. And then we have 3 thermometers. One is closest to the opening of the tube, and then another one a little further, another further. So 3 temperatures, or thermometers, so we can read 3 different temperatures as the water moves in. We also have our stopwatch set up so we can see how long it takes for the temperature to start dropping at each of these points.
And what's the starting temperature?
And our starting temperature is 19 degrees Celsius of our room temperature water.
All right.
So we just need to see how long it's going to take for those temperatures to drop. So
and the ice water I have right here is just barely over 0 degrees Celsius. So remember, it's ice cold salt water. So I think we'll go ahead and we'll try to pour this in here. You ready with the timer?
Yep.
Okay. Go.
Okay, so we'll see how long it takes for this temperature to start dropping at each of these 3 points.
That really...
And that first temperature is just starting to drop. And looks like that second one's starting to drop. like the third one's just starting to be about 18 degrees Celsius at just like 49 seconds.
So hopefully you can see on the camera that our blue salt water is really staying at the bottom of it. The whole tank kind of looks blue, but hopefully it'll show up on the camera. Like when we did the ice cube in the plastic tray, we were able to see that all the blue water was really all on the bottom because it is more dense. I think we need to record the temperatures.
And our ending, oh, it's hard to see. Ending temperatures. Struggling to focus on that. Let's look at these things.
There's one over here on the left. Looks like we're at about 18 degrees Celsius.
This one here, it's hard to see, but it looks, these ones, all three look at about 18 degrees Celsius at the moment.
So you'll notice that all three of our thermometer bulbs, they're all in the cold, dense salt water that we went and added. They're not up high, they're down low where that cold blue salt water is.